Alright, now it is. Last Friday night. Alright. Oh. It is hot in
Oh, I can
here.
do it to the camera.
So, we're going to the park now. We're gonna buckle because safety first, you know what I'm saying? Right. Safety first. Safety. Oh,
Woo,
my
it's
God.
hot.
Woo! I'm sorry, yours ain't automatic. Okay. So we're gonna get air because we're cool right now. Alright.
Look at all this work we did.
For you. For you people who enjoy our work. We haven't done a video in like 2 years. Where's this guy at? Oh.
Wow, I feel dumb.
Ow. What hurts the most? Random shawty is so close. Wasn't so much to say. Just watching you walk away. You never know when. What could? Oh, my button's on. Wow, I feel dumb. Ooh, that little plastic thing was on. Come back. We're about to come back. Alright, we gotta do this one. I'm gonna make this video.
Dumb.